Local news for Thursday, the 13th of August. Social distancing, contact tracing, and the option of wearing face masks all came into effect yesterday at midday as the region moved to Alert Level 2. The trains were noticeably quieter as well as many commuters chose to stay and work from home. Medical centres were inundated across the region with patient inquiries around COVID-19, while panic buying at some supermarkets and demand for face masks also increased rapidly. Businesses can open to the public if they are following public health guidance, and it is strongly encouraged that everyone downloads the contact tracing app. Friday, the 21st of August, will be a Masterton-wide Mufti Day for school students. Being run for the second time, the idea is to boost the stocks of the food bank. Students are being encouraged to bring a non-perishable food item to school a week tomorrow. And finally, in sport, the Dalford men have a bye this week while the women are set to play Northern United away. In other news, all junior, college and senior reserve rugby, as well as junior football, have been cancelled this weekend. There are strict protocols in place for hockey, and MoreFM Wairarapa are awaiting further advice. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.